First, place a support board underneath the shower surface to prevent the cut section from falling. The shower surface is then placed on the support blocks. Our SolidLite shower can be cut on all sides except for the short side by the waist. The shower can be cut on a maximum of 2 sides, along one long side and one short side. The sides may be cut within a range of 10 to 100 millimeters. To prepare, protect the shower surface with cardboard and secure it in place. The cardboard insert from the packaging is ideal for this. The cut line is now marked along the taped edge. Now prepare the angle grinder. Make sure the cutting disc has a diameter of at least 175 millimeters, is suitable for metal, and has a thickness of 1 to 2 millimeters. Before cutting, the required personal protective equipment must be worn. If a second side is to be cut, it is important to continue the cut on the side that has already been cut. After cutting, clean the cardboard surface with a hand brush to remove any material residue. Remove the cardboard and brush off the cut edge, or use a file to remove any remaining material. Then place the cardboard back onto the shower surface. Now seal the cut edge with Hammerite Ultima corrosion protection and leave to dry for 4 hours. This step is then repeated once again. Ensure on-site waterproofing is provided during installation, for example using the KALDEWEI 6 box. The cut side must be installed facing the wall. Sealing tapes cannot be applied to the cut edges. Cut shower surfaces can no longer be installed on feet